Question number 20. North America contains dash of total area of the earth. A. 20.9%, B. 16.5%, C. 17.9%, D. 15.8%. And the correct answer is B. 16.5%. 21. The highest point of North America is A. Mount 𝘂𝑗𝑒𝑚𝑐𝑞𝒂, B. Mount Ellsworth, C. Denali, D. Mount 𝘘𝘶𝑗𝑦𝑔. And the correct answer is C. Denali. Question number 22. The lowest point of North America is A. Peninsula Wells, B. Lake Eyre, D. Mount Ellsworth, D. Death Valley. And the correct answer is D. Death Valley. Question number 23. What is the total area of South America? And the correct answer is A. 17,840,000 square kilometers. Inshallah, I will upload a complete table of all these continents, their area, highest point, lowest point, and all the major details in one picture. Stay connected with Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and also follow us on TikTok, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Question number 24. The South America contains dash of the total area of Earth. And the correct options are A. 9.2%, B. 12%, C. 8.6%, D. 7.9%. And the correct answer is B. 12%. Question number 25. The highest point of South America is A. Mount Elbrus, B. Mount McKinley, C. Mount 𝘂𝑗𝑒𝑚𝑐𝑞𝒂, B. Mount 𝘂𝑗𝑒𝑚𝑐𝒂𝒂. And the correct answer is C. Mount 𝘂𝑗𝑒𝑚𝑐𝑞𝒂. Question number 26. The lowest point of South America is A. Dead Sea, B. Russell Lake, C. Valdez Peninsula, D. Lake Eyre. And the correct answer is C. Valdez Peninsula. Question number 27. Total area of Antarctica is A. 13. And the correct answer is D. 14 million square kilometers. Question number 29. Antarctica contains dash of the total area of the earth. And the correct options are A. 9.2%, B. 7.9%, C. 6.7%, D. 8.9%. And the correct answer is A. 9.2%. Question number 29. What is the total area of Europe? And the correct answer is B. 10,180,000 square kilometers. Question number 30. Europe comprises dash of the earth's land area. A. 9.2%, B. 6.4%, C. 6.8%, D. 7.2%. And the correct answer is C. 6.8%. Question